your body composition, and we ran some lab work for you, and then just sort of woke up and realized, like, hey, I want to get healthy. Like, what was it? The body comp, or just living here for a couple months that sort of woke you up and felt like, hey, I need to change. I need to get healthy.
I would say like for a while, like especially my like midsection, like I knew it didn't look good, but I just didn't like, I felt like I was at a place where like I didn't really have any guidance on like what to do about it. Like I knew it didn't look good, but I was also like in my mind kind of like, is this just what happens when you start to get older, especially when you're like here in Miami? It's of course a lot different, but back in Kentucky, it's like, well, this is what everyone's starting to look like. So is this just a part of aging? Like, is this something that I just have to come to terms with as like my like new adult body? So I always knew that like it was there, and like especially just like I could feel it, like I could see it and I could feel it, but it wasn't until like starting at Rewind, moving here, and then of course the body composition where it was like, oh, I got to figure out some type of game plan because I have all the potential, I'm just not meeting it.
Yeah, 100%. I think maybe one of the other things that helps like keep us motivated is that we constantly have people coming in and their body composition is improving. And so when you see people walking in through the door and they're dramatically different looking, it sort of inspires me to stay in shape. Maybe it inspired you originally to, as you saw, more and more people coming through the doors and getting fit.
Yeah, I just think like being in shape is so badass. So like that's like what's probably like one of the most like inspiring parts of it all. It's just like it's pretty badass to be like super fit.
Yeah, it's great, isn't it?
Yeah.
I like, there's a saying that nothing tastes better than having a six pack.
Yeah, I'm still working on that.
Yeah.
It's 6
Aren't we all?